Right, something a little bit different today. I bought this lock from Aldi. I like to just buy a lock off the shelf every now and then, see what it's like. It's the, I don't know if you can see that, Home Protector laminated padlock and steel cable. So, I mean, it only cost me £5, so let's see what its security is like. Okey-dokey. Get this off. I mean, £5, I mean, it's not expecting the world, but okay. Z wrench in there. And triple peak from Sparrows. Love a bit of Sparrows. Oh, okay. Right, it's open. Brilliant. Hopefully I can tuck that back in, and I've kept the receipt. Right. Have a lovely day.